I'm sorry, Cleanie. The ghost thing went all wrong.
It's fine. You guys were just trying to help. Oh, Cleanie, I think your hiccups are gone. Hey,
Huh?
they went away. Yeah, my hiccups are gone.
That's great, Cleanie.
So Spooky's plan must have done it after all.
Wow, thanks, Spooky.
You're welcome.
And something else. I think falling in that garbage helped. It was terrifying in there. I've got hiccups.
Oh, poor Hallie.
No problem. You just said the garbage helped, so jump back in.
What? I will not. I'll see if Jin's surprise machine is working now. I'll beg her to help.
Good luck, Hallie.
Please help me, Jin. I like Hallie. He's just so funny.
That's right.